Hi, this is Sherilyn Hoffman, your Southwest Florida real estate agent. Today I'm inside Babcock Ranch at the Babcock National community. Right behind me is the 18-hole golf course. Today I will be checking out their condos. They have two styles of condos. I will be checking out the veranda. The veranda is about 1,300 square feet. It comes with 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 full bathrooms, and a 1-car garage. Remember to subscribe and like because I will be sending out timely updates on all of the new releases when they become available. Hi, I am here at the Bromelia. that was the Bromelia. There may be some verandas with a lake view that will be available soon, so stay tuned for more information. Remember, there is a limited amount of these still available. These are the lowest price point of homes that you can get in the Babcock Ranch community. So if you're looking for a vacation home or a investment property, contact me. I know the builder's agents, and I will be able to help you get into one of these condos. I am an investor myself here at Babcock National, and the wonderful amenities that will be coming this fall and winter are going to be phenomenal. There will be a pool with a tiki bar, a clubhouse, a sauna, spa, places to get massages, manis, pedis, restaurants, of course, the golf course, and all of the wonderful amenities here at Babcock National inside Babcock Ranch. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and in that way more people will be able to get this information. Remember to stay connected and call or text me at 931-436-3552 for more up-to-date information, or join my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch. And that's where you can also find more videos and more information and the lifestyle and amenities and events that are here at Babcock Ranch. Have a great day.